Today barcodes are not only for household items, but they are used for forms, tickets, archiving, licenses, and much more. They identify a product or person in each case, and encode essential details. In this video you will learn how to create and use the barcode control in your SharePoint forms dynamically, using Spark Forms Builder. With Spark Forms you can easily add a standard barcode to your form, and this code can be retrieved from or saved to SharePoint text column. To add the barcode, open the form you want to use it in. And from the list at the top, click on Spark Forms Builder to open the canvas to design the form. As you see here, I've previously designed this form to add the barcode in it. If you are interested in how to customize the design for the form in detail, you can watch the tutorial video listed in the description below. Spark Forms provides barcode control that renders scalable vector graphics, SVG, directly into the form page. Now we are going to add the barcode. From the advanced controls in the toolbox, drag and drop the barcode control. Modify the barcode control properties. As you see here, you can set a default value to generate the code from it. Or the code can be generated randomly, by selecting Generate Unload option. Select the barcode type from the encoding standards. The shape and the value of the barcode will vary depending on the type selected. Choose whether to generate unload or not. By checking this option, you are telling the form to generate a random code for the selected barcode control. This value will be automatically generated on the form load, and will save this value to the associated mapped SharePoint field when saving the form. This option is available for certain types of barcode only. As we see here, when we select Generate Unload, a new option has appeared: number of digits. In order to specify the number of digits that random function will generate, choose whether the Show Code value, when choosing this option, will display the barcode value at the bottom of the barcode image. Choose whether the barcode show in the mobile mode. Mapping with barcode column, to save the barcode in the SharePoint list alongside the other data. You can do further customization with the Advanced Style tool. You can change the background color, change the borders and outline, and change the radius and shadow. You can apply rules and conditions as well to the control if you want. Spark Forms provides a lot of building functions to use. Great! Let's now publish the form and see how it works. Let's get back to our list. Click on New. As you see here, the barcode has generated unload. Let's enter the data quickly and submit the form. The barcode will be saved in the list with the rest of the data. And if we reopen the form, we see here how the code is retrieved from the SharePoint column. We saw how to create and use the barcode control. Barcodes become an essential tool for any business to make their operations more efficient and trackable. This technology has proven critical to the success of many businesses. Follow us to learn more about advances used for SharePoint and Spark Forms. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe, and if you have a comment please write it down. Thank you.